Almost everything I do reflects the commitment that I have personally to do the most excellent job that I possibly can. I spend hours reading orthopedic literature. I go to meetings, I have friends all over the United States and in fact all over the world that I talk to, and I have the opportunity to learn from them. I also learn from my patients. Every time I do a surgical procedure, I'm always asking, how could I have done that better? What could we do differently here that will make this easier for the person and make it work better for ourselves in the field of orthopedic surgery? I've written papers, for example, about things that I've done. I've written papers that have described a new type of tendon damage that no one else had described previously, just from something that I learned from a patient and I observed in the operating room. And I think that contribution has probably helped thousands of people all over the world. I'm a member of many different organizations, all of whom are interested in improving the field of orthopedic surgery, improving our results and improving our ability to help people. The American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, the Association of Bone and Joint Surgeons, the American Orthopedic Association for Sports Medicine, and the American Association of Hip and Knee Surgeons are some of the organizations that I belong to that are educational organizations. Also, I'm a past president of the Florida Orthopedic Society, and I'm very proud of the strides that we made in the state of Florida to improve orthopedic care for our citizens.